Good morning, Internet. It's ya boy Yeti. Another cold and chaotic day in the Himalayas.
I'm on the prowl. Predator mode activated. Okay, I missed. Again. Snowberries it is. They taste like sadness and regret.
Just me and Mother Nature, and that judgmental squirrel again. Look away, Carl. I'm trying to be majestic.
Today's question comes from @AbominableFan77. Do Yetis poop? Bro, seriously? That's between me and the forest.
Life tip: if you can't be warm, at least be cool. This bird is my emotional support roommate now.